everything for you. She even likes the same things you do.
Carton, I am downstairs. Will you just tell the security to let me up? No. You're on speaker.
Alright, Siki, let her for a minute, please. Can I offer you something to drink?
No, I'm still on the job. Thank you though. How many drinks have you had?
A last count.
Don't you think you've had one too many?
No.
Really?
Maybe you're right. But cheers to this bird. Call it a swallow. Have you seen
Michelle's body? Yes, Carlton. Michelle's body is there, and yes, she's dead.
Oh, what happened?
How what?
Oh, she dead.
She got a shot to the shoulder.
A shot to the shoulder kill her?
Yeah, it's possible.
Just a shoulder shot and she dead?
It can happen, Carlton. You see, there are huge blood vessels in a human being's shoulder, as well as lots of very delicate nerves and a very complex ball and socket joint that no surgeon on earth can put back together once it's smashed by a bullet. Furthermore, a shot to the shoulder has a very high chance of causing arterial blood to spill into the lung. This can be fatal in most instances, and that's exactly what happened to Michelle. The ambulance found her in time. She could have been saved, but they didn't. Carlton, once again, I'm sorry.
I can't come to grips with this all now. I can't believe that Michelle dead. This doesn't seem real. And furthermore, I have no update on Tiffany.
So, you're saying up to now you still have not heard from Marcos?
No.
Well, maybe he's drowning himself in his campaign.
I'm guilt. Michelle blood upon Fim hand. Just hope him daughter not suffer the same consequences. You know, me want to help pay the ransom, but he wouldn't allow me. And look what happened.
Correction. You mean his niece? I mean, we all now know that she's your daughter. So the responsibility is now on you. I don't think he would care anymore.
Marcus now let that go without a fight. I mean, I know my brother. He's been our father for 18 years. So now I'm just trying to see where I can fit in. Michelle was supposed to be here to help with that transition, but I don't know what's going to happen now.
Carlton, this is sad. But you have to be strong for Tiffany when she comes home. You just have to have faith.
Faith. So you believe in a God now?
3 times a week, 2 days on weekends. It's my new thing.
Wow. So now the devil visits church. Interesting.
Oh? I didn't know you did. How often?
Good one, Maxine. Good one.
Hello? Yes. In 20 minutes. Okay. They're asking for the Wallaces to come and identify the body. You have to do this, Carlton. There's no other way. And by the way, they have also contacted Marcus. So you both will be there together.